This webpage is about extinct animals. So here in this page, I'm using CSS. To do this, when I hover my mouse here, I can see the details of the dodo. And also I'm using CSC. When I'm entering here, I can see this downloader. But here I'm using the JSON. I'm using an API that is called get extinct animals. And here I can put how many animals I want, except to one, from 1 to 804. So here is all of the information of the animals. And through this file, I'm fetching all of the data and using it to display all of these animals, extinct animals. And if I click here in more details, I can see the scientific name, location, last record, and a brief description. But there are so many animals, 844. So here also I'm using pagination. And if I want to go to the page number 50, I can see all the animals here. And here for search animal, I'm using two APIs here. An API from API Ninjas, for example, if I want the information about an elephant. The name is not specific, so I have many results like African bush elephant, African forest elephant, Asian elephant, and so on. And I'm also, but this API, it doesn't give images. So I'm using another API, Pixels, to get images. If I want also images from an elephant, here I have the response. Two images. I'm just fetching two images, but I can have more images if I want. But for the site, I'm just using two. So let's see how this works. And here I have two images of elephants and all of the different elephants, because here just this is an special. But if I want an Indian elephant, I can do just that query. And here I have Indian elephant. And I can search for many animals like a panda. I have two pandas, and if I want a specific panda, here I have the red panda and two images of that panda. And the last one is random animal. So every time the user enters here, it downloads one extinct animal. For example, this Tecopapufis. And in this part of the project, I'm using local storage to save all of the animals that the user enters. So this is the 5L animal chemic megapod. If I enter here we have the chematic megapod. This is my about us, what APIs I'm using. And the site is responsive, so if I want for this for a mobile view. This also works. And also I'm using CSS here. The header is static, it doesn't move. So this is working as expected. The same with random animal. And that's what we have here. That's my project.